Hi, my best friend. Welcome to Psycho Says. How to make her melt and love you more. You have to go out of the ordinary if you want to make your girlfriend feel special. It means you have to do something special for her. And you have to do it with love and sincerity. Here are the top 8 ways to win her heart for more truly charming moments. You are my kind-hearted friend. Support this channel so that it continues to grow. To greet you by pressing the like, subscribe and comment buttons. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Send her a random kind text message. Simply telling her that you were thinking about her, or send her a genuine, of the blue compliment. Depending on how long you have been together, texting her randomly to say you love her is a surefire way to brighten her day. This will make her surprised, happy, and special. 2. Cook something special for her. If you live together, few people can resist the charm of having a special meal cooked for them. Cooking is perhaps a mundane activity you do every second night or so, but make an effort to prepare her favorite meal or a cuisine that featured in her childhood, or go all out and have a themed meal. She'll be touched by the extra effort. 3. Touch her. Holding her hand, stroking her hair or placing a hand on the small of her back is a low-stakes way to reinforce intimacy and make your girlfriend feel wanted. Whether it's in public or not will depend on your tolerance levels. This is an easy one, but it's very effective. 4. Take her defense publicly. Letting your girlfriend know you're on her side is a solid way to keep her on yours. Demonstrate loyalty to your girlfriend by defending her against anyone attacking or criticizing her. For example, if her mother is going on about her weight, for example, say, "Think she looks beautiful." Or if her friends are laughing at her clumsiness, tell them it's your favorite thing about her. 5. Pamper her. When she gets home from work, have the bathtub filled for her. Include candles, bath bombs, and lotions if you are feeling extra indulgent. Once she's had some time to herself, offer to further de-stress her with a sensual massage. This one's particularly good if your girlfriend is going through a stressful patch. 6. Do something for her without her asking. This doesn't mean buy her a gift when she least expects it. Whether it is simply folding her laundry or making her a cup of coffee in the morning before she goes to work, if you do it without her asking, she'll appreciate it that much more. This means do the little things that she does all the time, which you normally overlook. 7. Tell her that she's beautiful. Tell her when she's raw and not done up. Tell her when she's exposed, because if she knows you think she's beautiful at her worst, she knows you think she's beautiful all of the time. Don't tell her when she's in a dress with full hair and makeup. 8. Available for her when she needs you the most. When something goes terribly wrong in her life, your presence, your voice, your thoughts alone serve as support. You're not her shoulder to cry on, you're someone who picks her up when she falls down, someone she can depend on, and someone who won't run away when life itself becomes an obstacle. Thanks for watching, friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.